The goal of the education pathway is to give students a glimpse into education before they enter college and spend numerous hours in their education courses. My name is Monica Berry. I'm a teacher and coach at Van Buren High School, and I teach the concurrent education technology class for the education pathway. The education pathway is for students that are aspiring to be teachers when they get out of high school and get into their careers. We do things in the elementary schools, the middle schools. It's for anybody that's wanting to be a teacher. Level 1 of the education pathway is Introduction to Education. This lays a foundation for any educators, whether it be students that are wanting to pursue a degree in early childhood education, regular elementary education, or secondary education. Level 2 of the education pathway is education technology. Students come in and get a basic understanding of technology used in the classroom, whether it be software that they use for teaching students math or English, or even using different technology for students with special needs. They'll get a glimpse at it and get an introduction to those different pieces of technology. Level 1 and Level 2 students go into classrooms at our elementary schools and middle schools. This gives them the opportunities to shadow and observe teachers in action. This is a really great experience because that's something that you don't get to do until later in your education career in college. It gives them a chance to see the foundations of how to structure your lesson planning, how to group students together, how to even set up your classroom is really important to educators, and it gives them firsthand experience of something outside of the four walls of the high school. We truly believe our coursework will help them, whether it be with their professionalism, their communication skills, organizational skills. There's a place for everyone in the education program.